Good morning, guys. First feeling of the day is a peanut butter bar. I started eating this because I was on a call. Got to jump back on another call, but I didn't want to let this one go. So peanut butter fueling for number one. Sorry, my mouth was full. See it fueling too, guys. Ta-da! The doorbell rang, and this was outside of my door. That's right, my order came. Hallelujah. Okay, so I am going to open this and unbox it for you in just a little while. So I will start with fueling number 2 right now, which is going to be, I don't even know yet. Let's go see what I have left. Okay, so I have an over-the-door organizational tool here that I've had for the last few years. And I keep all of my fuelings in them. And can you see the empty pouches? All right, I do have quite a bit of things left. Okay, so I don't know what I'm gonna pick, but this is how I organize it, and I have a lot of pouches to fill. So let's see, I might go with, what's this? Silky peanut butter shake. Let's do that. Haven't had that in a while. I haven't had this peanut butter shake in a long time, honestly. It's quite good. I remember it being somewhat bland the last time I had this, but it's really good. I feel like I can taste the peanut butter better than the last time. I don't know. Maybe it's just me, and I didn't even add any PB2 to it. This is just the shake. Water and ice. I like it. All right, so peanut butter shake, not bad. Definitely can taste this better than the caramel macchiato shake. And the caramel macchiato shake is really good if you mix it with coffee. So just a suggestion. So I have another call for work today. It's a very busy day. So I'm gonna go do that. Enjoy the shake. We'll get to the unboxing a little bit later and see it fueling 3. All right, guys, so it's the next fueling time. I am going to be using my sour cream and chive potatoes and turning them into Chick-fil-A French fries. A lot of you ask me how to do this. Sometimes yours comes out runny. The key to it is to use half of the water. The package really tells you to use half a cup, so we are going to be using a quarter cup. A quarter cup of water to 1 packet of potatoes. We're going to mix it in a bowl, throw them on the waffle maker. So let's get started. All right, guys, so here are I call them Chick-fil-A waffle fries because that's what they remind me of. Super simple. You can add sugar-free ketchup. You can add a condiment to this. I like them just like this. Sometimes I like the sugar-free ketchup, but plain and simple. Quarter cup of water, mashed potato packet, waffle maker. So good, guys. So good. All right, so I'm going to change my clothes. Britt and I are going to go for our hike with the dogs now to get in our daily exercise before the rain comes because it looks really stormy. Sky is getting dark, crazy. So I want to get that done before the rain. And then we'll be back in a little while. So see you at the park. Kind of spooky here today. There's nobody here. Just us. Creepy. And I oftentimes wonder, like, what would happen if some spooky, crazy person was hiding out in the woods? Why do I think like that? I think I watched too much CSI. Speaking of, I watched a Netflix series, actually missed the first few episodes, but it was easy to catch up with, called Making a Murderer, I think, on Netflix, about this guy and his nephew. I mean, like, unbelievable. If you guys have an opportunity to check that series out, definitely do. And tell me what you think, because I think they're not guilty. I think they were set up big time. It was just the most outlandish, crazy story. But there was a female attorney who blew my mind. She was absolutely outstanding in her thinking and just everything. It was so good. And I hear somebody talking. Oh, bikers behind us. Molly, out of there, Molly. Mom, this way. Nope, Molly, this way. Molly's stuck. She's stuck in a tree. Let me go help her. Anyway, so this female attorney on this show was just, her thinking just blew my mind. I loved her thinking. And like, that's so, you know, like when they say you missed your calling. So for me, if I wasn't a nurse or a sitcom actress, those were my two dreams, right? I would love to be like a crime scene investigator or something like that. I love that kind of stuff. All right, guys, here's Lean and Green. This is fresh sea scallops that I bought from Trader Joe's. If you want to see what they look like in the bag, check out my Trader Joe's haul the other day. And some cauliflower rice. I'm going to top it with a little bit of the Thousand Island dressing, and that is Lean and Green. And by the way, I had one of the scallops already, and it is absolutely delicious. We just had the heaviest rainstorm here. It lasted for about 10 minutes, and now the sky is breaking. We made it home from the park right before the rain, so super grateful. All right, guys, anyway, next fueling. Ta-da! This is the chocolate brownie. All of a sudden, I'm drawn to them again. I don't know why, but it's a great way to end the day. I still have one more fueling left to go, though, and I've decided to do the unboxing for you tomorrow when I have more time. It's getting late in the day. I'm just not going to have time to open that big box, so tomorrow will be the unboxing. I'm sorry, guys. It's got to be that way because I'm exhausted, and I still have a ton of work to do. And it's already almost 7 o'clock at night. So I hope you understand. So I'm going to eat my brownie now, and I'll see you at the next fueling. Hey guys, I just want to share this with you. Every now and then I do drink a Powerade Zero. Powerade Zero is the sugar-free version of what is similar to Gatorade. But I just want you to be aware, if you read the label here, this whole bottle is not a serving. There's 2.5 servings in here, and each serving, according to the label, has 150 milligrams of sodium. So if you drink a full bottle of this, you're getting more than 300 milligrams of sodium, which doesn't seem like a lot, but for someone like me who retains water like no man's business, drinking a full bottle of this a day can actually cause me to retain water. So I always expect myself to be up a little bit the following day after I drink one of these. Also, today was so thick with the humidity, it was ridiculous. Like, I went outside, you saw me at the park, we were sweating within 5 minutes. And I'm talking wet, and I don't normally sweat. So be on the lookout for these drinks. Again, it's a Powerade Zero, which is totally acceptable. You can have this. I guess you would consider it like a serving would be a condiment. Maybe, I don't know. It's got no calories or anything, but it does contain Splenda. And I had heard a couple years ago when I was coaching that anything that contains Splenda, sugar-free drinks and things like that, you technically should count as a condiment. I never do. I never did. I don't. But I just wanted you to be aware that you will be getting quite a bit of sodium. So just a little pro tip there for you guys. Hey guys, so it's fueling number 5 time. It is getting late. It is literally almost 8 o'clock at night. I'm sorry. It just got so behind with everything. So I'm at fueling number 5 at almost 8 o'clock at night, which sounds crazy, but it's chocolate pudding and a little bit of whipped cream. I'm gonna eat this. I'm gonna head downstairs to the basement and get on my elliptical for a half an hour. After that, I'm probably gonna make a shake and end the day there, but we shall see, But I love a protein shake after the exercise, the elliptical, especially because I get off of that thing soaked. So, chocolate pudding going down for fueling number 5, and I'll see you in about 2 hours. Okay, so fueling number 6, finally. Did my workout. I'm so hot and tired. I have to go take a shower. So I'm having this shake, gonna take a shower, kick back, upload this video, watch some Netflix, and hit the sack. And I will see you guys tomorrow for my unboxing, what I eat in a day, and whatever else I do tomorrow. So I hope you all have a great night. Stay focused, guys. Please, you can do this. I promise. I'll see you all soon. Have a good night.